Welcome back, traders, to Market Analysis 101. Don't forget to hit that like and also subscribe to get notifications every time that we put a new video on this channel. All right, traders, let's jump right into today's trading session. Today being Wednesday the 17th. Let's look at what we got. All right, so we did get a little bit of a lower movement today. What this tells us is that we're fulfilling essentially what we called out yesterday. And just to kind of give you an idea where my head is at, I am expecting the market to come and retest sort of that low right there. And if not, go a bit below it. And once we complete that move, then can we move forward? What happens in between, we don't know, right? So this is the reason why we are being very careful. We're observing what the facts are telling us. We're making sure that we're reading the tape and making decisions based off of that tape. So at the moment, we're stuck in between this sort of movement down. And so there was a lot of opportunity throughout the trading session today. And because the trading session was really stuck in a box, we were able to make a couple of moves here. Trading sort of the range area. And so there's small opportunities, but there's opportunities obviously to make some profit and some gain here. And what we need to keep in mind as we're trading, our job is to minimize the risk by identifying either patterns, either support areas, either boxes like these, so that we could then galvanize and take advantage of those moves and be able to come into a trade and then get out with profit. Again, the idea is not to lose money. Obviously, the idea is to make money and then to also protect those gains. So at the moment, we still find ourselves within that area that we talked about yesterday. So if you haven't watched yesterday's video, I recommend you to go take a look so that you could get an idea, a general sense of where we're headed at. And so again, right now, so from a sort of macro level, we are on our way up, but at the moment, we find ourselves correcting. The longer that we spend time in this area, the more we're creating the narrative of a bull flag. And so we want to be careful in this area, and we want to make sure that we find confirmation before we make our move. The breakout out of this box area. If we're moving up, then we will jump on that train and move higher and again refill in this gap. And if you don't know what I mean by refilling in that gap, again, I recommend you to look at yesterday's video. And if we break down, again, that's not a bad thing. We would only be correcting this move right here. And then after we're done correcting this move, then can we continue our merry way up. So that's a market wrap up. Let's keep safe and let's keep profitable. See you guys.